24 hours, the clock starts now. Checked in fast and hit the trendy market downtown. Got that perfect vibe at the Buddhist temple ground. Beijing road is lit up, best new spot that I have found.
This Guangzhou energy's got me feeling so alive. Lost in the neon lights, we are gonna thrive. This Guangzhou energy's got me feeling so alive. Yeah, we gonna thrive.
We're here in Guangzhou, China. So we're currently in Diashaku Square. This is like the hipster area of like art people and just like young people just getting a vibe. It's in the TNP district as well. And as you can see, it's hella crazy. If you want to spend some time, you can definitely spend the afternoon over here. Go through the craziness that is Guangzhou. So, how was your first experience at Harmay?
Okay, it's crazy. Overwhelming. Oh, I'm so excited. Also, I am so happy. I finally got all the skincare that I used to use in Canada.
Happy hunting.
My favorite stuff. Hydration, vitamin C. Oh, wait. A good cleanser.
You can find everything here.
So that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the price was a little bit expensive. But it's okay. Once in a while.
Nice. This place reminds me of like Sephora that went to art school, got tattoos with Abercrombie and Fitch vibes.
You have way more options than Sephora for sure.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna lie, the price hurts my heart.
But it's good quality.
But I know it's gonna be something that I'm gonna be happy with for the next 6 months at least.
Oh, what is this? Fruit. Chewing gum.
Oh.
Ah, I like chewing gum. We really like chewing gum.
Like gum?
Yeah.
Or tea?
Chewing gum. So that's what they're showing us.
Yeah. So I
Like a giant fish.
dry it, become whatever you're...
Selling.
My heart isn't there. I have to go. I'm sure my life would change if I go to Canada.
Look at all this. There's a huge crowd. Huge crowd. Look at that. Seating area. Check that out. For what? Next to a subway station. For what? Boom. 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 Canton Tower.
So high, painting colors on the sky, a rainbow of shimmering light.
You ready for this, bro? You ready for this? You ready for this? Mayhem! It's about to go crazy! Oh. What the fuck is going on? Is this a protest or what? Jeez. We are deep in it now, in the depth of China. Check this out. We are trying to get to the subway to escape the crowd. We gotta enter another line. Damn, this place is packed. Wow, it's sardines in a can.
Follow me.
Haixin Bridge.
Guangzhou glow has in bridge a perfect curve of white, a whispered stroll along the river stream, floating on a moonlit starry stream.
And in the middle of the night, you just find yourself a jungle gym. You can do your calisthenics, get your steps in, swing it out, some pull-ups. Street gym, baby. And you got ping pong in case you want to bang it out.
Wow, this is so big. Dragon.
Pause on the flower or fruit of life. So this is Guangzhou's transportation map for the subway system. That has 27 freaking lines. 27 lines. That's insane. There's an old Chinese saying for this. Golden one. Such a cool entrance for us. It's really stunning.
We arrived to
Dafo Temple.
Dafo Temple is one of those temples that is a must to check out when you're here in Guangzhou. So it's magnificent. Turns on at 8 o'clock. We were at another location. But if you're here, it's a must.
In Dafo Temple, find the quiet space, a meditative state, a moment of grace. Golden statues watch us from above. We find our inner peace and feel the love. Golden statues watch us from above.
They asked us to hold the stick from both tips with our fingers like this. And you can see everyone in the line is holding it this way. It's very cool. People are giving their honor, their homage, a beautiful ceremony here for Buddha.
wow.
Only the center panel is
It's the finger bone of the Buddha. You can see it inside.
It's a finger bone.
So we translated these. It's the funniest thing. Apparently, this means I need to, the solution is corresponding.
Yes.
It means I need to communicate more.
He has zero communication. So
I'm a very introverted person.
my husband, Buddhist, mine is luck and fortune.
Luck and fortune.
Wealth and wealth
You got lucky.
and luck.
You got lucky man. That's what it's saying.
For someone we need communication, I'm not sure.
I think you do it for both of us.
Yeah, we're gonna become rich because of me. And you need to talk a little bit more. Things gone.
It's really hard to capture the scale of this, but it's quite large of a wall. I'd say probably 20 feet tall. And each figurine is lined with trimming of gold. It's actually quite beautiful.
In Dafo Temple, finding quiet space, Guan Yin on her lion, full of peaceful grace. 3 golden Buddhas watching from above, filling this sacred hall with endless love. Incense whispers on the air, wrapped in sacred hanging scrolls, finding enlightenment here, finding peace within our soul, finding enlightenment here.
You know where we haven't gone yet? A Guangzhou magnet. Woo, woo, woo. So many selection. All right. Gotta add it to our collections. Let's see which one we will go with. So far, I think this one's cool because it meets our criteria of having the name. And then once you open it, bang, you got the Canton Tower, the bridge. We showed you this one, but I want you to check this one out, man. So this one we like too because it has many of the attractions and it spins. It's a little fidget spinner. You can fidget with it and it's metal. The other one is wood.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think this one would be cool.
There?
Yeah, I like this one.
We're gonna go with this one. So we're thinking about like some amethyst decor. The guy was telling us this is like citrine with the Buddhist god of wealth. And I was pushing you to buy that amethyst tree, and you're like, no way, you're too pushy, bro. Just to make it, we don't like people that are pushy, so we're just gonna go with our classic new tradition.
Me, pressure is the turn off. If someone pressures me to buy something, I'm gonna not buy anything.
Way to do it, man. You don't like countries that do that. Our old country does that, so we completely get the hustle mentality, but man, it's one way to turn us off. Hey, don't. I get it. You gotta hustle, but bro, you can't just keep pushing.
Pressure is annoying.
It's very annoying. But anyways, we're here on
Oh, wow.
the pedestrian street. Check this out. So cool. Beijing Road, pedestrian street. Let's go on an adventure. So we just picked up some coconut pineapple bubble teas. When in Rome, first Guangzhou bubble tea. This place is hella busy, hella packed. Man, it just goes in down there. When we got out of the temple, we were like right in the middle of the Beijing pedestrian road. The guy trying to sell us some fake watches here on the streets. You got people always coming in trying to sell us some stuff. China Welfare Lottery, like their Lotto Max, 649. Scratch and win.
Can a foreigner buy one, or it's only for?
Yeah, it's whoever wins, bruh. I'll take your money. So cool. You got like the riverbank here with all the boats. You got the Great China Wall of the sorts surrounding it. And then you got it different segments, maybe for back in the day protection. So this is the original floor back in the day before Guangzhou was built, where the Silk Road, I think, took place and a big trade around the world. And so this is like the original foundation. And now it's like this huge market for pedestrian streets.
That was the first day, 24 hours deep. Every single memory's a promise that I'm gonna keep. Got a whole new series coming, better hit that subscribe.
Leaving all the night vibes, let the sunlight in. So click that next video, let the adventure begin.